We're now going to demonstrate vertical shifts. Remember, vertical shifts are when we take some rigid object and we move it some number of units, either up or down. So it's the same thing up, or it's the same thing, down. And to do this, I'm actually going to use a program. This is called GeoGebra, and it's a free program out there. And what we're looking at is, notice over here we have our function. F of x is the absolute value of x, which is drawn. And then I've got this k value. And so, coming back real quick, what we're looking at is f of x equals the absolute value of x plus k. Notice that the plus is outside of the operator, outside of our principal operator. And so that's how we know this is a transformation, is that we're doing something to our library function. And in this case, we're adding on the outside. If we're adding on the outside, then it's vertical. So let's just demonstrate real quick. So I'm going to come down and I'm going to choose a particular value. I'm going to change this k and I'm going to make it a 1. And I'm making this a plus 1, and so this is a transformation. We're moving the whole graph, and notice when I hit enter what happens to my graph. It moved up 1. It was originally here, now it's here. So by changing k, I can let k be 3, and notice everything is 3 points higher. But this is a rigid transformation. Based off of my original graph, here, everything moves exactly 1 unit away. And I can show this if I let g of x just be the absolute value of x. Then when I let k equal 1, you can see that the original graph is still here, and everything is just 1 point higher. Now notice as well, a plus 1 moves it in the positive direction. It moves up. If I let k be, let's say, negative 3, it moves it down. So it's lower than it was before. Everything is 3 points lower. And so that's how we get vertical shifting. And notice we can see the function right up here, and it tells us what it is that we're looking at. So make sure you know how to move points up and how to move points down.